Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Have a look on the screen. We are going to study today which one is greater out of these two terms. Both are exponents like 4 to the power 75 or 3 to the power 100. Which one is greater? We will study basic concept today. If any question of this type comes, we should be clear with the basic concept behind it. So how we need to proceed? See, this 4 to the power 75, can I write it like this? 4 as 2 square, right? It becomes 2 square, then exponent 75 as it is, which can further be written as 2 to the power. Now this 2 multiplies 75, we will get 150. Now my base is 2 here, my base is 3 here. We don't have same bases. Then how to identify which one is greater? If your base is not same, then the rule is at least we should make the exponents same. If exponents are not same, then make the base same. At least one of them should be same to get the correct answer. This is the basic concept behind it. For example, what I am trying to do here, this 150, I can write it as 2 to the power 6 times 25 to the power 25, because 6 multiplied 25 is 150, right? And here this is 3 to the power 100, I can write it as 3 to the power 4 again power 25. See, exponent 25 I have made, which is same now. Now what is 2 to the power 6? You multiply 2 6 times, like 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So this is becoming 64 to the power 25. Whereas 3 to the power 4, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. This is actually 81 to the power 25. Now you can just compare bases only, because this is 64 power 25, this is 81 power 25. Obviously 81 power 25 is going to be greater, because 81 is the bigger value. Exponent is same for both places. So 81 power 25 greater means 3 to the power 100 is greater here. Many people would see, they would think that 4 power 75 is greater, whereas this is not the case. So don't just directly look at the question and just select greater sign or less sign. Use this basic concepts always, because if your base is strong, base is clear, then you will find these type of questions very easy. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching today's video.